Good morning to everyone. Today we have to see some questions. So let's start at that. The first question is write all the integers between -1 and 5. Firstly, let us understood this statement. All the integers in between -1 and 5. Now see, when your teacher is saying to you that you have to sit in between these two students, that means which student is in between these two students? Only you. Get it? Which student is in between these two students? Only you are sitting in between these two students. You not have to count these two students. Similarly, here the question is write all the integers in between -1 and 5. Means we want to give them answer who are sitting in between -1 and 5. So that means who are sitting? Only these integers are sitting in between -1 and 5. So what is the answer? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is answer of ours. Write all the integers between -1 and 5. Here it is -1, here it is 5. So who are sitting in between -1 and 5? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are sitting. Get it? Now see the next question. Write all the even negative integers greater than -8. Means here this is -8. Let us say I am standing here on -8 and I want greater integers. Firstly, let us understood the concept of greater and smallest integers. Now see, when I am moving from this point, if I am standing here, then two paths are there. Either I have to go to this side or I have to go to this side. So in the question it is written I have to move to that side where greater integers are in front of me. Now if I am going to this side, then I meet positive integers. So that means, and we know this thing, positive integers are greater than negative integers. But if I go to this side, then only I meet negative integers. That means if I go to this side, then I definitely meet greater integers. Get it? And now read the question one more time. Write all the even negative integers, even also and negative also. Here, if I move to this side, then negative integers stop here. Means I am not allowing to go to this side. Get it? So that means my question is even negative integers. Means I will not enter towards the positive integers. And the next thing written is even. Even means that is divisible by 2. And greater than -8, not equal to 8, means -8 also is not my answer. If they are written greater than equal to -8, then we will consider only -8. But now here the question written to us is greater than -8. That means we not have to consider -8. So here 6 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 2, and 2 is divisible by 2. So that means these three are even negative integers that are greater than -8. So that means here my answer is -6, -4, -2. Now see the next question. Write all the positive odd integers less than 12. Here 12 is written. Get it? I hope you know now this thing. 12, less than 12 means these numbers. They are talking about these numbers. 11 is less than 12, 10 is less than 12 means they are talking about these numbers. Positive word written means we will not move further to this position. Odd written means we have to consider those numbers which are not divisible by 2. And less than 12, less than equal to 12 not written. So that means 12 is also not our answer. Now odd integers. 11 is not divisible by 2, 9 is not divisible by 2, 7 is not divisible by 2, 5 is not divisible by 2, 3 is not divisible by 2, 1 is not divisible by 2. So the numbers that I have circled, only that numbers are our answer. So that means our answer is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Get it? Now see the next. Write all the non-negative integers. Now see, positive integers we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to so on. Negative integers we also know that -1, -2, -3. Now non-negative integers what? Non-negative name indicates. Non-negative means which are not negative. Now only these numbers are negative, na? These numbers are not negative. So that means they are talking about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up to so on. Actually, the difference between positive and non-negative is only that. In positive integers, we consider 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. And in non-negative integers, we have to consider 0 as well. Get it? Now read the statement. Write all the non-negative integers from -5 and 6. Means this -5 and this 6. -5 and 6 means we have to write these numbers. Write all the integers from -5 and 6. Now see, these -5 here written, 6 here written, means we have to consider all the numbers, but here it is word written non-negative, means we not have to consider the negative integers, means this is our answer. So our answer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and our question is done.